Pain affects you physically and mentally. They affect both areas, not one and not just the other. When you touch a hot pot or when you get injured, pain travels through a pathway or a road. The A delta fibers and the C fibers, these are the names of the pain pathways or roads that takes these signals to the spinal cord. In the spinal cord, it goes through a tract called the Spinothalamic tract and goes to the brain, the thalamus. Then it goes to the frontal cortex and the limbic system. Essentially, your body is hardwired to send signals to your brain that tell your brain where it hurts, why it's unpleasant, and this links into what we call the hippocampus, the memories, the frontal lobe, the personality. So pain, emotions, and feelings are linked together. Throughout culture and history, as well as physiologically, these are all linked together. So if you're having pain, it will make you feel bad. When you feel bad, it makes the pain worse. It's a vicious cycle. So treating one alone is not enough. And this is very important in chronic pain. If somebody has acute pain and a broken bone, you have to fix the bone, give them medicines, but also tell them to put a cast on, how you deal with that, the challenges with the cast. Now, if this problem has been there, a diabetic foot or a pinched nerve for 3 months or 6 months, the pain signals going to the brain are very significant. It actually recruits a whole different nerve called the C fiber, whole new receptors, the NMDA receptors. These are evaluated and studied on a molecular level. Acute pain, chronic pain, two different things. Changes the way you feel, changes the way you look at things, causing conditions called hyperalgesia, where things become overly sensitive, or even allodynia. Allodynia is this interesting property of your mind where things that were not painful become painful. And we see it in patients who have had chronic migraines. Light touch to the head is painful. And even you see it with people who have amputations, where they come and see me and they sit on a table, they tell me their foot hurts. They don't have a foot. So there is a very complex, intricate relationship that is hardwired in your body between mind and body. And they both need to be managed to help people with pain.